Hey everyone, Ted at R U Cars. Today we've got this 2016 Kia Rio. It's a 1.2 SR7 model, finished in the clear white. 41,000 miles, 6 services. Very nice condition throughout. Looks the part with the black wheels, the black mirrors. Ideal first car, town car, shopping car. Just an ideal car. The wheels are all freshly refurbished. We've got 2 brand new tyres on the front. So you've got the gloss black mirrors, the privacy glass. Really trendy looking thing. The SR7s do come with aircon, climate control, parking sensors, Bluetooth, DAB. So they are well spec'd. You've got your reg number there to carry out any checks that you feel you want to do. Real bright thing, super tidy. No marks or anything worth pointing out. As I say, we've just fitted 2 brand new tyres to the front. Look, will come with a full MOT. Service if required, but I think this one's just been done. All of that information's in the advert. There you have it. Look at that. What a cool looking thing. Let's show you inside. This one's got the black cloth. But we'll go in the boot first. Oops. There we go. Good sized boot. Got the parcel shelf as well and the split folding rear seats. All very clean with no funny smells. As you can see, there are a set of floor mats as well. As I mentioned, we've got the black cloth, which is unmarked, rear Isofix, rear electric windows, 3 proper seat belts. And again in the front, exceptionally clean. 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. Armrest, electric mirrors, electric windows, parking sensors. I'll just start it so you can see there's no warnings. Straighten the steering wheel out because it's bugging my OCD. There you go, so the mileage is 41,386 and as you see, no warnings. Half a tank of fuel, we won't charge you extra for that. Telephone controls and audio controls on the left side of the steering wheel. The rest of your audio and your trip computer on the right hand side. As I mentioned, we've got aircon. It is icy cold, works perfectly. We've also got auxiliary and USB input with your 12-volt chargers. Just there, look. DAB radio with signal. That means it's a good aerial. We're struggling in the photo booth. Your media inputs as well. Oh, it knows there's nothing connected, but yeah, there you go. And of course, your Bluetooth telephone, if I've not already mentioned that. Storage in the centre, 5-speed gearbox. Manuals are all in the glove box, and that's about it. Very clean and tidy car. Don't forget, all of our cars do come with a warranty. They all come with a new MOT. Service where required. We are RAC approved and we do offer finance. We work with lots of different lenders to try and find you the best deal. So give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.